Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 18th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Again, another very slow session. I mean, it really was like watching paint dry. Unbelievably slow. We are certainly in a rut here. But by the end of the session, the Dow was up 23 points. The S&P 500 was up 5, and the Nasdaq up 11. It is going to take some kind of catalyst to get this market moving. I mean, momentum firmly in place here on equities, but we are just having a really tough time getting anything going. This is probably one of the slowest periods I've seen in a very long time. The Russell, moving up a bit more, still, very close to those highs up at 1243, and I'm sure it will get there and actually go beyond, but boy, was it another slow session. Bonds, very quiet as well, up 22 cents. Gold was up a little more, up a little over 8 points. And crude, again, the story of the day. Talks of a supply freeze sent the stock higher once again. It gapped, finished higher by $1.50. And I mean, it's just been a straight move higher. Expect a pullback here at any time. When it does, if momentum is in place, which it looks like it will be, we've turned that corner on that moving average right there. We could get a setup to the long side, but certainly a very strong surge in oil recently. Now, before I let you go, I did want to show you a chart of Apple. Very interesting here. Is it getting ready for a move? Certainly, it's recovered quite a bit. After, we came down and spiked lower twice here, and then got above this midpoint high, right around 100. Blew through that on earnings, has continued to run, is now pulling back. But during this run, what happened here is that it closed one of the gaps ahead, right here. It closed that gap, and is now pulling back again on very strong momentum, on the back of very strong momentum here. So if we get a bit more of a pullback here and a reversal signal, this would actually be a great spot to pick up some Apple for the next leg higher. And if we look ahead here at what's ahead, not only are these highs actually within range, and I mean the first target will certainly be up in the 112 range here, this previous high right in here. Beyond that, there's a couple of small gaps, and then we have, well, actually this gap's pretty much closed. Beyond this 112 mark, we've got the 120 area right in here, and then of course these highs near 124. So Apple can really get going here, especially as we head into the fall session. We've got strong momentum behind it. Just be patient, wait for that pullback, wait for the proper setup, and then off it should go. So we'll keep an eye on that, along with the overall moves in the market, and we'll focus again on those longer term charts on the weekend. And we will certainly be back with another update on Sunday, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.